back here for another adventure. We're in the convertible today. We got the top down. It's looking good out here. It's like 80 degrees. It's about an hour and a half drive for us. So Lisa said, let's take the convertible, let's put the top down and go for a ride. So, see you guys when we get there. Into the place. This is really, really beautiful. So we got here, this place is gorgeous. I like this a lot better than Crowder's Mountain already. This is beautiful, beautiful place. Lisa made it here. So beautiful. Give me a kiss. That's so much fun. I love this one. Yay!
Hey guys, we made it to the top of the mountain, beautiful waterfall, and I'm telling you, the stairs were definitely a butt kicker. I would rate this probably 4.5. It's a great trail, lots to see, just beautiful environment, so definitely worth coming out and taking a look at.
Guys, so me and Lisa made it up here to the top and we are dead. That was a lot of stairs. I'd say a good 800 stairs, something crazy. It's a lot. Knees are kind of shaking, you know, quadriceps are aching. So yeah, we made it to the top. We're resting right now, just trying to figure out which way we go from here. I don't know if we turn around and go back or if it loops around and goes down a trail over here. Either way, we'll figure it out, see what we can do. This is one of the most beautiful parks I've ever seen. Definitely want to do this again. Definitely going to come back here. See what we can do. So we made it up here to the top and we're going around the loop. After the extreme part, there is such a relaxing little area here. It's just, you're strolling through the woods now. It's cool, it's beautiful. You can hear the water in the background, the river, and so much nicer up here. So we're at the actual top now, and just talked to a couple people. And it's still another mile to the bottom. All downhill. Lisa, she's got her Camelback going. Big shout outs to Camelback for that. So yeah, hit it downhill. I like this a little bit better because we are hot and we are sweaty and not ready for a diet tea or something. Yep, it was stopping time. That downhill is rough on the ankles and rough on the knees. What do you think? About time? Lisa's the only one with a Camelback. I left mine at home because I have my photography stuff with me. So let me get a sip, honey. Show you how we do it. Sharing is caring. So we started, we went left. It looped all the way around and we came down from there. Not too bad.
Guys, we are at the bottom of, what's it called again? Shoals?
South Mountain State Park, but it's High Shoals Falls Loop Trail.
Yeah, and we made it and it's beautiful. There's going to show you what's behind us, but definitely a good place to check out.
We'll definitely be coming back here, guys. Check this out. Trail down here on the way back to the car. It's called Hemlock Trail, and gorgeous area. I mean, you can't beat this. It's so nice, so pretty. We're so tired as well. So, any last words of remorse here, Lee?
Remorse? No.
Yeah. Except for that we're tired and, you know, we're ready to get home, get something to eat. But we'll leave you guys with this beautiful view.